Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and thanks to Samsung Malaysia. In this video, I'll share with you guys what Samsung has to offer moving forward in 2019 when I attended the Samsung Southeast Asia Oceana Forum in Singapore, so keep watching. Now kicking things off is their latest QLED lineup. As you guys know that Samsung is very well known to produce very nice displays not only on smartphones but also on TVs. So they decided to officially bring the 8K resolution TVs ranging from 65 inches to a stunning and a huge 98 inches. And trust me guys, compared to what you see through this video, it cannot come close to what kind of amazing details that you can see through the 8K resolution. Now I'm sure you guys might be wondering, yeah, but besides MKBHD, who produces 8K content nowadays? Well, that's where Samsung has developed a super cool AI upscaling feature where you can always upscale your content as low as standard definition or SD to UHD 4K to upscale it to 8K resolution. And yes, there was a huge difference in that thanks to the new quantum processor. Now the gaming experience was also quite crisp and nice, with nicer blacks, and hats off to Samsung because while other brands are busy fighting with each other on being stuck on their personal ecosystem, the new Samsung QLED TVs are also compatible with Apple's iTunes, movies, and even support AirPlay too, so really nice one Samsung. And yes, there's other direct voice integrations for Google Home and Amazon Echo as well. And during the private demonstration, Bixby has also improved on the continued conversation feature within the TV itself. Then moving forward, following the previous generation, there's also the feature where the TV blends within the background, which is also super nice by simply going through the app for the TV, take a picture, and then it will copy your background to have an always on display on a TV screen to make the TV blend with your wall. Now when it comes to audio, Samsung has introduced their new Q90R soundbar, which gave a super immersive 7.1 surround sound, where I got a chance to enter a really nice closed room to enjoy the proper audio experience. And yes, like other previous soundbars that I reviewed in the channel, the sound quality, especially since they acquired Harman Kardon, was really amazing. Now going to some of the unique displays this time, they've also introduced a new generation, the Frame, with the QLED technology, where there's 3 different sizes to choose from. And it looked really nice alongside other high-quality museum frames, especially with the collaboration with some of the well-known artists throughout the world, and it's all available through the Art Store app. So yes, it becomes a TV when it's on and a beautiful art when it's off. Then there's also the introduction of The Wall, where it is a service to customize high-quality 4K screens according to your home's wall size. It is HDR10+ compatible with perfect blacks and pure color, and it gives you the freedom to choose different customized viewing aspect ratios like 4:3, 21:9, or even the regular 16:9. And moving forward, as a smart home and an audio lover, I was super happy to finally get my hands on the Galaxy Home speaker, which again sounded really nice. Now the design looked really futuristic and the controls were on top of the speaker, and I was quite surprised with the build because I thought it was smaller just by seeing it online, but it just had the right size to really fill up a room. Now speaking of smart appliances, their new generation smart fridge is also great, where other than features like the power cool or power freeze to quickly cool your drink or even ice cream. Ice cream. And of course, within the fridge, there's the Family Hub Smart Fridge Screen, which had a super cool integration app with Spotify. You can create shopping lists, and there was even a What's Inside feature where you can see exactly what's inside the fridge without even opening up the fridge door, which was really cool as well. Then there was the new generation washing machines with the quick drive technology, which reduces power and time to wash your clothes. There's an app which lets you guys know once the laundry is done, and there's another really thoughtful feature like adding any item at any time. Other than that, there's also the other releases like the windlass air cons, which disperse cool air throughout 21,000 micro holes. And then there's also the new introduction of the PowerStick Jet 200 vacuum cleaner with a 60 minutes runtime, a 200-watt digital inverter motor for stronger suction power, and a 5-layered HEPA filter system. Alright guys, so yes, besides all the releases of smartphones for 2019, these are all the upcoming items that will be out within the year. And stay tuned to Adam Lobo TV for the release dates here in Malaysia. Once again, thank you so much Samsung Malaysia for sending me to Singapore to check out the Samsung Forum for 2019, and let me know if you guys have any questions to ask on these specific items. Now aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share this video, and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I will catch you guys in the next video.